even falling for each other. No? Anong physical trait and personality of the other that makes him or her boyfriend or girlfriend material? Like Ashton, when you look at Annalise, anong physical trait niya at sa personality niya na naisip mo, uy, boyfriend material nga pala si Annalise, ano?
Siguro po yung thoughtfulness niya. Kasi parang ang laking bagay yung may mga, yung hindi mo na kailangan sabihin bago pa niya ibigay. Hindi mo kailangan hingin, bibigay niya.
Yung physical.
Physical.
Wala ba siya?
Parang lahat naman po. Hindi kasi, pero bukod sa physical niya, nakakagwapo po talaga sa kanya kasi yung puso niya eh.
Oo.
Ako din, I'll say the same thing. Yung attitude ni Ash at yung ugali niya, nakakita ko kasi we've been already working together for how many months already, and a physical trait that I love about Ash talaga is her eyes and her smile. Kasi when we're laughing minsan, talagang minsan, aminin ko, talagang tumitingin ako sa mata niya like, so nagkakangiti din minsan, so
Tingin ka na, tingin ka na kay Ash.
Personality-wise na sa
personality-wise, yes, yung ugali ni Ash, you know, ang napansin ko sa kanya, wala siyang kaarte-arte ng kahit ano. Like usually, I've met people in my life that are medyo mareklamo, you know, about the small things, but the thing I really appreciate about Ash is kahit whatever you put in front of her, she doesn't complain talaga. And she just does her job and does it with the best effort that she can. And that's what I also really appreciate about her. Even kapag nahihirapan ako sa mga eksena, hindi siya nagagalit sa akin, hindi siya na, she doesn't stress me out. She always makes me feel like, oh, kaya natin to. So, yun ang my favorite traits.
Okay, last question ko. Kanina din sinabi ni Direk Jason na superstars in the making kayo. No? And I think that involves destiny. Kayo ba naniniwala kayo sa destiny when it comes to life and love? And destiny nyo na maging love team?
Ako before hindi, pero parang ngayon, opo. Kasi kung iisipin ko yung mga nangyari, parang na-amaze talaga ako na, wow, ang galing na andito kami ngayon. Tapos, like, wala talaga ako ina-expect na kahit ano. Pero ngayon na nandito ako, kasama ko sila direct, parang opo.
Ako naman, destiny, I really do believe in destiny in life. I think that if certain things in life are meant for you talaga, they're meant for you and they're bound to happen. Of course, without expectations, you know, we shouldn't always expect things because, you know, if it doesn't happen, then you get sad. But ako naman, I truly believe in destiny. I think that if it's meant for you, it's meant for you. It's given by God. And kasi parang ganito yan. If it's really meant for you, and if it's given by God, it comes easily, right? Kasi minsan, pag pinipilit mo at hindi meant para sa'yo, mas naghihirapan ka. But the nice thing about it is, I really believe that things happen for a reason. And destiny is a big factor in that, and it's what God can give to you. And if He gives it to you naman, you just have to learn to accept it and go with it. And that's what I think destiny